Question 11. Solve the equation 2 times 3x minus 2 minus 5 is equal to 4 times x minus 3 plus 7. Answers are x is equal to 3, x is equal to 1, x is equal to negative 7, and x is equal to 2. First, we distribute the numbers and we get 6x minus 4 minus 5 is equal to 4x minus 12 plus 7. Then we simplify and we get 6x minus 9 is equal to 4x minus 5. Minus 4, negative 5 will be negative 9, and negative 12, positive 7 will be negative 5. Then we add negative 4x positive 9 to both sides of the equation. Now I can cancel this negative 9 with this positive 9 and this 4x with this negative 4x. And what I get in the right hand side is 6x minus 4x, which will be 2x, and the right hand side will be 9 minus 5 will be 4, which is equal to 4. So 2x is equal to 4. I divide both sides by 2. This 2 will cancel with this one, and x is equal to 2. So D is the correct answer.